Hey, welcome back. Erik Cortina here, and Jason, and Ethan. Today we're doing 1,000 yards with a 6.5 Needsmore with factory ammo. We're using the BC from the back of the box. We're using the velocity from the chronograph that we took before, and then we're going to send it to 1,000. Obviously, we have an electronic target, so we're going to be able to, click up or down if we're off, and then we're just going to shoot some groups, see how that factory ammo does at 1,000 yards with each rifle. The crazy thing is they haven't sped up for the life of the barrels. We kept track from day one. They were about 2,700 and they're still about 2,700. So kind of crazy. Probably the way we've been cleaning them. Who knows? But it's both rifles, they haven't sped up, which is quite interesting. All right, here we go. What was the come up for 1,000, Jason?
8 mils.
8 mils. 8 exactly?
8 exactly.
Oh man, look at that. All right, so we took a few shots to get on target, and now Jason's gonna shoot on paper. He's gonna get 2 siders and then 5 for record. You want to go ahead and dial your win? We had 1 mil. Also, we had to come up to 9 mils on the elevation because we had the wrong speed on target. All right, Jason, good luck. This is Needsmore number 2. This is the unmodified one. Well, except for the chassis and the scope and the rings and the tuner brake. Just shoot a group. Don't worry about being centered up. No, just shoot a group. All out. Ooh, 13 inches tall. .30 ES at the target. The group is 10.8 inches high and 8.41 wide. So slightly over one away, but that's the second shot that took it way up there. If we omit that one, then it's only 4.6 inches tall. So, I mean, we got to count it, but it's not bad. The last 4, well, excluding number 2, it was really good. All right, let's try the other one, see how it does. Where are you? So you are you're 6/10 off. And of course, you got too much wind on. You got, I'm gonna back off 3/10. Okay, come up. All right, now 5 shots. seems kind of has the same pattern as the other one, 4 in 1. So this one is 9 inches tall by 4 inches wide. If we exclude that one, then it is 3 inches tall. So pretty good, except for that one shot on both. I mean, we could probably just blame that on the ammo at this point, but we're going to count it.
It's got to be counted.
It's going to be counted. All right, so we're going to let the rifles cool for a little bit, and then Ethan's going to pretty much do the same thing, 2 and 5.
So it's a good way to check, because it was 33 at the target, 31 here, so they're jiving.
So the ES here was 31, at the target was 33.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
And it was the same margin on the other gun.
That shows consistency on the bullets.
It does.
Oh, that's good. 2 siders, and then just use the first 2 to get centered up or wherever, and then just the last 5 for record. You're just going to shoot groups on the last 5. The wind died. You're 3/10 off. So click it over 3/10 that way. This is up. Okay. Come down. 1, 2. All right, just next 5, just hold dead center. What happened? What happened?
That one was slightly to the right.
Huh?
Slightly to the right.
You calling that one?
Yeah.
You calling that a bad shot?
But it wasn't the same point of aim that I had. Okay.
You had a really good one going.
Yeah.
Throw another one in there. All right. All right, well, you're consistent. Guess you put that one down there as well. So, all right. We're just going to ignore the 6th one because dang, it's still only 6.5 inches tall, even with that one that dropped down. It's still a 7-inch group, Salve Moang. That ain't too bad.
That's the unmodified.
Yep, that's the unmodified. Pretty good. Ooh.
I fucking did it again. We had a whole conversation about that shit.
All right, be careful.
Do that exact same thing.
Do that exact same thing.
Hang on. All right, 5 for score, or 5, just hold same spot. Same one shot that's out. The overall group, the height is 6.69 inches. We exclude the, it's only 3. It's still pretty good group. It's still sub MOA.
Yep.
It's pretty good, Ethan. That ain't bad at all. Factory ammo, and it shoots sub MOA at 1,000. Remember, these rifles we couldn't get them below 1.5 MOA at 500. I mean, at 100. Forget 500.
Right.
I don't know, man. I think it's been worth the investment to find out what does. I mean, that's like a, what was it? It's less than a 7-inch group at 1,000.
I don't know.
I don't
Trigger
know.
monkey.
I mean, that's pretty good. And the other one, what was the other one? Here, I'll pull it up.
Like right at
Yeah.
at a minute of angle for group size.
The other one, 6.5 as well. 7.12. So the Needsmore 2 with Ethan had a 7.12 inch group, and the Needsmore 1 with Ethan had a 8.23. So Needsmore 2 actually did a little bit better. And Jason Needsmore 1 had a 9-inch group, and Needsmore 2 had a 13.7. That's how the Needsmores do with factory ammo. We took the other Needsmore and modified it a little bit more, and that's what it looks like now. I'm joking. That's my F-class rifle. Anyway, what's next, Jason?
Well, we took it out the distance. They performed well.
Yeah.
Guess we start hand loading.
Man, they're doing sub MOA at 1,000 yards. That's pretty good. One of these, I think the one that actually did better with Ethan, I don't know about you, but I think the one, it used to be 3.5 MOA at 100.
Yep.
And now that thing's holding like 6 inches at 1,000. 5 shots. Ah, that's pretty impressive. All right. Hand load?
Hand loads.
All right. Next time we'll be shooting hand loads. So you're working on that right now. How are they? Okay, let's kind of let the cat a little bit out of the bag, because you've already started hand loading for them. How are they performing so far?
The powder test for both of them had some pretty good results. Not a lot of depth in the nodes, but found some nodes on the high end that we're working on. Shot that. We're actually about ready to shoot we shot the seating depth test yesterday, and we're about to shoot the final powder test today.
All right. Now, if you are a forum member, if you're on the website, shootsmallgroups.com, that's where you're going to get to see all the load development stuff. But next time you see us here, we're going to be shooting hand loads. Now, speed-wise, how are they doing as far as compared to factory ammo with the hand loads?
100 feet per second faster.
100 feet per second more. Holy smokes. All right, that's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, we're using the same bullet. We're using the 130 burgers. Same brass.
Same brass.
And we actually kept them separate.
Yep, they're now, the brass is segregated. Whatever's been shot out of rifle 1 stays with rifle 1. What's being shot out of rifle 2 stays with rifle 2.
Perfect. So we're trying to make them as consistent as possible, so that, you know, we're pretending we only have one rifle, but obviously we have 2, which means we keep everything separate. And the hand loads are going well. So we're not going to completely tell you what's going on, because you're going to find out next time. All right, that's it. We're done. Ethan, thank you. Good shooting. Jason, as always, good job.
See ya.
And we'll see you guys next time. Keep them centered. Bye-bye.
Tonight I'm feeling me.